Hello, and I'm going to show you what you would do if you got in a Nerf war. Now, first of all, you should probably have a vest. They hold clips and darts, and they're very good against the hard Vulcan darts, which is what I'm getting to next. You should really have a Vulcan, because the Vulcan is very good because you can set up in one corner and use the rest of your ammo. Plus, the ammo, but some bad sides are the ammo. The ammo, you have to buy your own refill packs, and it takes 60 batteries, which is a lot of money. But other than that, this is actually pretty good. I found it on sale for about 30 bucks at your local Target store. That's where I found mine, on sale. They take these darts, Whistler darts.
With the black top.
Yes, and you just match this and match the belt to it. I don't have the belt right now. And just match this dart and the belt will come with it, and it'll be the refill pack. If you never need a refill pack, match this dart too in the stores. Thank you.
And plus, the vest will also hold some guns. Make sure you get the black top, because the orange tops will not work in the Vulcan. Okay, bye.